Hello traders, welcome to today's video on volume price confirmation indicator for MT4 and MT5. This indicator combines price action and volume into a single line so you can visually confirm whether volume is supporting the current trend or hinting at a possible reversal. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the volume price confirmation indicator VPCI appears in its own sub-window as a line that moves above and below a baseline, reflecting how volume is behaving relative to price changes. When the VPCI line moves in the same direction as the prevailing trend, it visually confirms that volume is supporting that move. When the line diverges from price, it suggests that the trend may be weakening. Sustained readings in one direction highlight stronger trend conditions, while flattening or turning readings highlight areas where the existing move may be running out of energy. If we look at the settings, we have just one, which is the applied price. We also have the color of the line. Now the applied price compares percentage changes in price with percentage changes in volume, effectively merging the two into a single indicator value. Now, who is it for? The indicator is aimed at traders who want confirmation that price moves are backed by volume and who look for divergence between price and volume as a potential early warning of reversals. It can produce false signals, is based on historical volume, so it may lag, and should not be used on its own but as part of a larger strategy with other technical tools. You can find the download link for both MT4 and MT5 in the description below, and you can read the full volume price confirmation indicator article, including strategy steps, pros, cons, and examples at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.